Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two streaming giants, YouTube and Twitch. Which one is the best platform for streaming? Let's dive in and break it all down to help you make the right choice for your content creation journey. Starting with the audience, Twitch is widely regarded as the home of live streaming, especially for gaming. It fosters niche communities with interactive features like emotes, creating a lively and unique chat experience. On the other hand, YouTube has a massive user base. Not only can you stream live, but your broadcasts automatically become searchable videos. This feature gives your content a longer shelf life, allowing it to reach audiences even after the stream ends. Now, let's talk money. Twitch streamers can earn through subscriptions, bits, and ads. However, Twitch takes a 50% cut of subscription revenue, which some creators find limiting. YouTube, in contrast, offers a more creator-friendly 70-30 revenue split for memberships and super chats. Additionally, YouTube provides more ways to monetize through videos and live streams. Twitch excels in fostering community engagement with features like raids and hype trains, but its discoverability can be challenging. Growing on Twitch often requires external promotion. Meanwhile, YouTube's algorithm is a major advantage, recommending streams based on user interests. It also allows customizable streams, making it a more versatile platform for new creators. So, which platform is right for you? If you're looking for a streaming-first platform with a tight-knit community, Twitch might be your ideal choice. But if discoverability, long-term content visibility, and a better revenue split are your priorities, YouTube is the winner. At the end of the day, the best platform depends on your content and goals. Some creators even use both to maximize their reach. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like this. See you next time.